Welcome to the introduction of warp drive technology. This promising field could revolutionize space travel, allowing us to reach distant stars in a matter of weeks, not decades. Once a staple of science fiction, warp drive is now a serious topic among physicists. This leap in technology could transform humanity's place in the universe, stirring our imaginations and capturing our spirit of exploration and adventure. For centuries, we've looked up at the stars and wondered. Now we stand on the brink of making interstellar travel a reality. Warp drive could be the key to unlocking our cosmic destiny. Beyond mere transportation, it could redefine our understanding of physics and our place in the cosmos. By bending space-time itself, warp drive could make the impossible possible, offering a future filled with endless possibilities. Warp drive technology is deeply rooted in Einstein's theory of general relativity, which tells us that space and time are interwoven into a continuum known as space-time. This fabric can be bent, stretched, and warped by massive objects like stars and planets. The theoretical foundation of warp drive involves manipulating this space-time fabric. By creating a warp bubble, a spacecraft could compress space in front of it and expand space behind it, allowing the vessel to travel faster than light without violating the laws of physics. Miguel Alcubierre, a Mexican physicist, proposed this concept in 1994. His equations showed that a warp bubble could theoretically exist based on the expansion and contraction of space-time, a phenomenon already observed in the universe. Understanding warp drive requires a grasp of complex mathematics and physics, but the core idea is simple. By manipulating space-time, we can achieve faster-than-light travel, opening up new realms of possibilities for space exploration and human progress. The journey to warp drive began with visionary thinkers. Early science fiction writers like H.G. Wells and Isaac Asimov imagined faster-than-light travel long before it was scientifically plausible. Their stories inspired generations of scientists and engineers. Physicists like Albert Einstein and Kurt Gödel laid the groundwork with their theories of relativity and space-time, providing the mathematical framework needed to explore the possibility of warp drive. These pioneers saw beyond the limits of their time, paving the way for future breakthroughs. Miguel Alcubierre's 1994 paper was a turning point, showing that warp drive was not just science fiction, but could be grounded in real physics. His work sparked renewed interest in the concept and inspired further research. Contemporary scientists at NASA and other institutions are now turning theoretical equations into potential technologies, driven by the dream of interstellar travel and the desire to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Miguel Alcubierre's breakthrough, the warp bubble concept, revolutionized our understanding of faster-than-light travel. According to Alcubierre, a spacecraft could compress space-time in front of it while expanding it behind, creating a bubble of normal space-time around the vessel. Within this bubble, the spacecraft would not technically exceed the speed of light, but would ride a wave of warped space-time. This avoids the relativistic limitations that prevent faster-than-light travel. The warp bubble could theoretically enable journeys to distant stars in a fraction of the time. Alcubierre's equations showed that this concept was mathematically feasible. However, creating a warp bubble requires exotic matter with negative energy density, a type of matter not yet discovered or produced in significant quantities. Despite these hurdles, the warp bubble concept has been a game changer, inspiring a new generation of physicists and engineers working to overcome technical challenges and make warp drive a reality. Alcubierre's work continues to be a cornerstone of this exciting field of research. Section 5, Energy Requirements, the challenges ahead. One of the biggest challenges of warp drive technology is the energy requirement. Creating and sustaining a warp bubble would require immense amounts of energy. Estimates suggest that it could be equivalent to the mass energy of an entire planet, or even a star. This energy requirement is due to the need for exotic matter with negative energy density. Such matter could theoretically bend space-time in the necessary way. However, producing or harnessing this energy on a practical level is a significant challenge. Current technology is far from being able to generate or control such vast amounts of energy. Researchers are exploring various solutions. These include advancements in energy generation and storage. Some are investigating the potential of harnessing zero-point energy or other forms of quantum energy. These are speculative and require breakthroughs in fundamental physics. Despite these challenges, the potential rewards are immense. Successfully developing a warp drive would revolutionize space travel. It would open up the entire galaxy to exploration and colonization. Overcoming the energy barrier is a critical step in making this dream a reality. Section 6. Technological hurdles, material and engineering obstacles. Beyond energy, there are significant material and engineering challenges to overcome. Building a spacecraft capable of withstanding the stresses of warp drive requires advanced materials. These materials must be able to endure extreme conditions, including intense gravitational forces and high radiation levels. Current materials are not sufficient to meet these demands. Researchers are developing new composites and alloys. These materials must combine strength, flexibility, and resistance to extreme environments. Nanotechnology and advanced manufacturing techniques could play a crucial role in this development. Engineering a warp drive also involves precise control of space-time. This requires sophisticated navigation and control systems. These systems must be able to manipulate the warp bubble accurately. This is a complex task that involves advanced computation and real-time adjustments. Despite these hurdles, progress is being made. Researchers are developing prototypes and testing new materials. They are also experimenting with simulations and models to refine their designs. The path to a functional warp drive is challenging, but each step brings us closer to this revolutionary technology. Section 7. Potential impact. Revolutionizing space exploration. The successful development of warp drive technology would revolutionize space exploration. It would enable humanity to travel to distant stars and explore new worlds. This could lead to the discovery of extraterrestrial life and new habitable planets. The possibilities are limitless. Warp drive would fundamentally change our approach to space missions. Current missions are limited by the vast distances and time required for travel. With warp drive, these limitations would disappear. We could undertake missions that are currently unimaginable due to time constraints. The impact on scientific research would be profound. We could conduct in-depth studies of distant celestial bodies. This could lead to breakthroughs in our understanding of the universe. The ability to explore beyond our solar system would open up new frontiers in astronomy and astrophysics. Warp drive could also have significant economic implications. It could enable the mining of asteroids and other celestial bodies. This would provide access to vast resources. It could also lead to the development of space tourism and interstellar trade. The potential economic benefits are enormous. Section 8. Ethical considerations. Navigating the unknown. As with any groundbreaking technology, warp drive raises important ethical considerations. The ability to travel to distant stars carries significant responsibilities. We must consider the potential impact on other civilizations and ecosystems. The consequences of our actions in space could be far-reaching. One key ethical concern is the potential for unintended consequences. The manipulation of space-time could have unforeseen effects. These could impact the stability of the space-time continuum. It is essential to thoroughly understand the implications before proceeding with warp drive technology. There is also the question of who controls this technology. Warp drive could become a powerful tool. It is crucial to ensure that it is used for the benefit of all humanity. International cooperation and regulation will be essential to prevent misuse. Finally, we must consider the impact on our own society. The ability to explore and potentially colonize other planets could lead to significant social and cultural changes. We must be prepared to address these changes in a responsible and ethical manner. The development of warp drive technology must be guided by a strong ethical framework. Section 9. Future prospects, dreams of interstellar travel. The future prospects of warp drive technology are both exciting and challenging. The dream of interstellar travel has long captivated the human imagination. With warp drive, this dream could become a reality. The potential to explore distant stars and discover new worlds is within our reach. Future research will focus on overcoming the current challenges. This includes finding ways to generate and control the necessary energy. Advances in materials science and engineering will also be crucial. Continued collaboration between scientists, engineers, and policymakers will be essential. Public interest and support will play a vital role. The development of warp drive technology requires significant investment. Public enthusiasm for space exploration can drive funding and support for research. Educational initiatives and public outreach can help inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers. Ultimately, the pursuit of warp drive technology embodies the human spirit of exploration and innovation. It represents our desire to push beyond the boundaries of our current knowledge. The journey to develop warp drive will be challenging, but it offers the promise of a future filled with limitless possibilities. Section 10. Conclusion. A glimpse into the future of space travel. Warp drive technology is both awe-inspiring and humbling. It offers a future where interstellar travel is a reality. The journey will be challenging, but the rewards are immense. It promises to revolutionize our understanding of the universe, enabling us to explore distant stars and new worlds. The impact on science, economy, and society would be profound. A future filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. Continued research, collaboration, and ethical consideration are essential. It is a journey that will test our ingenuity and determination. But it is a journey worth undertaking. The potential rewards are immense, and the possibilities are limitless. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of the boundless potential of human innovation and exploration. Warp drive technology represents the next great leap in our quest to understand and explore the universe. It is a beacon of hope and a testament to the power of the human spirit. The future of space travel is bright, and warp drive could be the key to unlocking it.